Alright, so in this lab we are going to learn how can we install DHCP Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and we did learn what is DHCP, so let's get started. In order to install DHCP, you can go to Server Manager, and then in here again it is part of the role, and press next here. It is role-based deployment. We are not deploying it on a remote desktop installation. So this is something that we are doing on a local machine, so we will choose that. And then press next here, and you can see that we have the DHCP server option there. Click it and then press next. We do not need to use any additional features, so we don't have to select that. Press next, next, and then install. After the installation is complete, simply press on close, and that's how you do the installation. If I go now to start and I go to admin tools, you will see that I have this DHCP installed, and I can also access it through the server manager from here. So that's how you can do the installation. In our next video, we will see how can we create scopes and how can we test those in real life.